Wow. Fuck what you saw. They pull up, man. I say, Woosah, Woosah. Fuck the hookah, I saw what I saw. Fuck what you saw. On my day, this is your life. Okay. Wow.
I can tell you about my life, but you won't understand. Couple cribs I'm paying for, I ain't even stand. Told me, bro, I'm stuck on drink, he said, I understand. She don't understand. Fuck a look like that, you getting over. I know granny getting older, and shit sad, I'm never soft. Yeah, I'm not lonely, I'm alone. Say, Choo died, I ain't get no clothes. Say, TJ died, I ain't get no clothes. She said that, that's getting close. Yeah, I sip drink before I explode. Tryna beat this block till we explode. Tryna beat this block till that bitch bro. I get blocked, don't do no pose. I get blocked, niggas know I'm posed. Smoking on who? Nah, it ain't no smoking.
Nigga, fuck right.
I said, Woosah, Woosah, fuck the hookah. I saw what I saw, fuck what you saw. I've been on my day today.
On my day, this is good life. I will.
Okay. Effing all black, it's a dark night, like Bruce Wayne to all. Shit, you know I say today, but I can never save all.
No.
Unless I'm saving for the game. Don't say you love me, you can't. I see this shit every day. Shit, my dudes drop. Fuck the hookah, I saw what I saw. Don't tell what you saw. Youngins talk about day to day. And this a bit like David Blaine. Oh.
Fuck the hookah, I saw what I saw. Fuck what you saw, been on my day.